Good morning, everyone. We're on the floor of Collaboration 2014. This is Pam Johnson. I'm Editor-in-Chief of Inside Dental Technology, and I'm here today with Dr. Kenneth Malament and Master Dental Technologist Thomas Singh, who just finished their morning course. And what I wanted to say and ask to stress the importance of working together as a team for every case. What does that bring? What benefit does that bring to the patient?
Well, it, you're customizing and listening to their wishes. I get a certain understanding or vision looking at the patients, and then Thomas comes in and he positions himself right in front of them, and he gets almost a completely different story. And that collaboration between the patient, the staff, and me really makes a custom-made part. It's there's nothing better than custom-made. Nothing.
And for you, Thomas?
For me, there is no better place for a dental technician or ceramist than working in the dental office, because you can see every single step they do with the patient. I can see the patient the first time, I can talk to them, I can see the wax up, all the try-ins. It's just perfect. And the dentist is right there. It's right there. I don't have to call or have to drive somewhere. The dentist is right there.
I suppose many of our readers and many of our audience here would love to know how to formulate that kind of relationship that you and Dr. Malament have. Is it through communicating with each other? Is it through...
For me, I've been working with master technologists from Europe for a long time, and they came like friends in Europe where they were training these people, wanted to get their best students an externship program for a couple of years, and there was a program called AIBT, which no longer exists, and there was a transfer, so a talented person could come to America for 2 years and then grow with me, and we would work. They'd come to my lectures. I'd teach at school, at Harvard, and at Tufts, and at BU, and of course Tom is now one of the international stars. So it just develops that way. I mean, I think for a dentist you have to have the commitment of building a world-class laboratory, and that's very expensive, and that's very, very difficult to do. But you also want to be able to be in a position where you know that you're together. Your values are together. They're the same values.
So it's matching those values that you both have for best practices demonstration.
Exactly. And you respect the financial needs and considerations of what a dental technologist is capable of doing. I mean, there's a difference between a small 1 or 2 or 3 person lab as opposed to a giant corporate lab where there's no interface whatsoever.
Well, I want to thank you both. This has been an inspiring presentation, and I hope you have a good rest of the day.
Great, thank you.
Thank you.